In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up booking on Acuity scheduling. Now, this is going to be like an overview on how to do this. If you want more in-depth tutorials on specific parts of this video, I do have a full playlist on Acuity scheduling, and you can find a lot of different tutorials in there as well. So let's get started. If you want to set up booking on Acuity scheduling, the first thing you want to do is set your availability. So to do this, you want to go to availability over here in the top left, and you want to click on it. And then from here, of course, you can go and add a new calendar if you wanna, okay? Now, by default, you're gonna have one, but then you can, of course, add one if you want to as well. So I'm going to click on this one over here, which I already have, and you can go ahead and basically edit your availability or limits. So I'm going to click on over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go down here where I can see I have like options to change times, and I can just go ahead and basically change them. So I can click anywhere and change this, for example, from 11 to 16 or something like this, and that's going to work. And of course, you can go and make this to have regular working hours or not. So I'm going to make it regular. And of course, when you customize this, you could also override for a specific day if you wanna, and then click on save regular hours and close. So that's the first thing done. You've basically set your booking, your availability for booking, okay? That's the first thing you have to do. Then you want to go to back top left, and you want to go and create appointment types. Now, these appointment types are basically going to be types of service. So I'm going to click on new type of service over here, and you just want to go through the setup and set this up. Now, I do have separate videos teaching you exactly how to do this, so I'm not going to do it right now. But of course, you can just go through this, click on create top right, and there we go. It's going to basically create your appointment type. Now, in my case, you can see I have a bunch of different ones ready over here because I've created them for the purpose of my tutorial videos, and you can see that's how it's going to look. Now, if you want to, you can also create like group classes or types of classes or stuff like that. I'm just going to skip this for now because, of course, these appointment types or services are the most important part. Then, of course, what's optional is you could also add things like intake forms, okay? So this is going to collect important information from clients before they book. So if you want this, you can go intake form questions and then create new forms over here. Again, I have full videos on how to do this exactly, so you can go watch that if you are interested. And then whenever you've done that, you've basically successfully set up your availability, your calendar, your appointment types that you're offering, and then the intake form questions for people to fill in before they book. Now, whenever you do this, of course, you need a way to pay as well. So you want to go and connect a payment processor. Now, to do this, you want to go to payments over here, and then from here, you want to connect to either Square, PayPal, or whatever's available, or yeah, Stripe. So here, as you can see, I'm connected to Square right now, and of course, you can connect to whichever one you want by clicking the connect button, signing in with your credentials for that account, allowing access, and really that's all it takes. And when you do this, you can go down here to payment and booking, and you can set up how you want to collect your deposits or card details or payment info, etc. Okay, so that's next step. And of course, whenever you've done that, you can also customize and share your scheduling page. So you want to go to scheduling page over here, and this is where you can see the preview. You can change styles, you can change the settings of it, you can change logos, stuff like that. Again, I do have a full video on how to customize this, upload images, change backgrounds, etc. Okay, so that's kind of the step-by-step overview on how to set up booking on Acuity scheduling. Again, for more in-depth tutorials, you'll be seeing the full playlist on your screen in just a few seconds. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.